Welcome to Blaze Block Fire Safety Solutions. In today's session, we'll explain how fires are classified under two major international systems, the ISO standard and the NFPA standard. Let's dive in. First, why do we classify fires? Because not all fires are the same. Different materials burn in different ways, so the method to extinguish them also changes. That's why we use fire classifications to help choose the right fire extinguisher or response method. The ISO standard, commonly used worldwide, including in India and Europe, classifies fires into 5 main classes. Class A, solid materials like wood, paper, cloth. These leave ash. Class B, flammable liquids like petrol, diesel, paints. Class C, gases like LPG, propane, butane. Class D, burning metals like magnesium or aluminum powder. Class F, cooking oils and fats, common in kitchens. In ISO, there's no Class E fire. Electrical fires are handled by identifying the material on fire and make sure power is off before extinguishing. Now let's look at the NFPA standard, mainly followed in the United States. It uses letter codes too, but slightly differently. Class A, same as ISO, solids like paper, cloth, wood. Class B, flammable liquids and gases, both included here. Class C, specifically for electrical fires, like wires, motors, appliances. Class D, fires involving metals. Class K, fires in cooking oils and fats. That's a quick look at fire classifications under ISO and NFPA standards. Understanding the difference helps you pick the right extinguisher and respond safely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blaze Block Fire Safety Solutions for more safety tips and training content.